Hi there, students. It's Mrs. Bridges, and for our reading class today, we're going to look at some more phonics and the pairs of letters that make the sound in words. So we're going to read a paragraph together, and we are going to look at finding, like a sleuth or a detective, the words that have the sound in them, and I'm going to circle the words, and then I'm going to underline the pair of letters in the words we find that make the sound also. So you try to do this with me. This is a slide in the PowerPoint, but I'm actually walking you through this here so that you actually get the lesson from your teacher here. So, all right. So the sound is spelled ER or IR or UR and OR, okay? And when we see capital MR period, we know we read that as Mr., so I'm going to count that as MISTER when we do our paragraph as well. All right, let's put on our detective thinking caps. All right, we'll do one sentence at a time. Conversation was more comfortable than it had been the previous evening. We'll stop at that first sentence. So I know that conversation, I hear the What comes in that word, or what two letters make the And I think it is ER, conversation. Was more comfortable. Ooh, comfortable. I hear an in comfortable. Comfortable. That would be an OR. Than it had been the previous evening. I think we got that one done. Next sentence is Mr. Quimby said he was finally satisfied with his drawing, which looked like a real foot. So let's see, Mr. I'm going to circle that, and I'm going to write ER, because if we spelled Mr. out, it would be the ER. Let's see. I think that was the only word with the sound in it. Beeza said her cooking class was studying the food groups everyone should eat every day. There's a couple of words with the sound in it here. Her, and the comes from ER. What do you think's the next word? Everyone. The comes from the ER here. And every, the comes from the ER in every. Ramona said there was this boy at school who called her egghead. I think that the word her, again, has the sound with ER. And the last sentence says, Mr. Quimby explained that egghead was slang for a very smart person. So again, here is Mr., and if we spell it out, it will have ER in it for the sound. And person would have the ER making the sound there. So there you go. And that is our phonics lesson on the sound for today.